Are free beats actually free? What you're allowed to do with them? Let's figure it out. Hi, I'm Max from TagSama, tag-sama.com, and today we're going to talk about free beats. Free. It sounds so tempting, especially when you're on a tight budget and struggling to make any money from your music. But then you find the hardest, dopest beat and it's marked as free, and you can download it right away. You can already hear your future hit with it and you feel so lucky. Well, things may look a little different from what it actually is. The main thing that you need to understand is that free beats is just another kind of license. The simplest one. It's not like you can just download some beat and do whatever you want with it. Like any other kind of license, it has its permissions and restrictions. In some way, you can call it a marketing trick, but it's actually a really handy deal for some situations. A little announcement before we continue. In each video in this series I share a few discount codes with you that can be used for purchases in my beat store. Today I have a coupon code for 25% off and a coupon code for 50% off any basic MP3 license for any beat. It can even be combined with my bulk deals. They may be used a limited number of times but will expire at certain specified time after the video is posted. So hurry up! Also, you can subscribe and hit notification bell to never miss new videos and new discounts. Okay, let's get back to the subject. First of all, why would any beatmaker want to give you his works for free? Cause, nothing really free in this world. It's really simple. From the perspective of music producers, those free beats are a nice deal too, because they give them exposure. With your tracks, you spread their name as the beatmakers in the industry. And this brings new clients. Also, an artist who uses a free beat might decide to upgrade the license to a paid one and became a real client and bring the real money, profit. The second reason is similar. Usually beatmakers ask to subscribe to them somewhere to download the beat. YouTube, SoundCloud, email subscription or something else are all about exposure and client bases. Okay, that's clear, but what do you as a rapper or singer get when you download a free beat? The main idea behind the free beats is try before you buy. It kinda like test drive for a beat. You can use it to write, record and experiment with your music. It's nice to have the ability to record a demo over an instrumental before you spend any money on it. You can record it, show it to some friends, check out how it's playing in a car to be sure that you really want it. And to be sure that you are not going to waste your money. Cause it might go like that. You like the beat, it's fire, and you groove into it, and you feeling it, and you go like shut up and take my money. But then you might be having problems spitting some bars on it, don't you? You might not even realize how often people saying that they fucking with the shit and buy a license but then just leave it. Leave that beat virgin. So sad and unsatisfying. Yes, here is another great feature. You are allowed to post your track on your social networks or sites like YouTube or SoundCloud to get first feedback and see if your song is worth investing in and buying a license. So we discussed the possibilities with free beats. And now it's time to get closer to the sad part. Let's talk about limitations. One of the limitations that actually also applies to basic licenses is audio quality and customization. I'm not gonna cover it right now. Here is a link to my video about trackouts versus single file. Go check it out. Let's go on. Limitations. No monetization. In other words, you are not allowed to make money on it. Again, you can upload it to SoundCloud or other free website like YouTube. It's legit, but you cannot turn monetization on. And if the song can be monetized and it's possible, the rights holder can claim all the revenue on it. No streaming, no Spotify, Apple Music, Tidal or anything like that. No music video. Just because. No paid performances. If it's party on your friend's backyard, it's fine. It all goes back to the first point. You cannot make money on it. No radio. Obvious one. Producer tags. This one is a bit complicated. I'm going to talk about it in detail next time, but I will give you a small overview right now. There are two versions of tags. Producer's tags like TagSama or We Got London on the track, and tags like Purchase your beats now. Why you not paying for beats, bastards? PurchaseBeats.com, bestbeatsintheworld.com. Give me your money. Purchase your beats. Purchase your beats today. That kind of tags. Little bit annoying. Free beats are tagged almost all the time. But if a beatmaker is not mocking you, it will be just that producer's tag. And it will pop up relatively rarely. Personally, I leave just the producer tag, and it's relatively quiet because I think it should not ruin the vibe. Anyway, People say that tracks recorded over tagged beats sounds unprofessional. And it's true. I don't want to persuade you that they're wrong, cause they're not. But it doesn't mean that you shouldn't do it. It's a specific tool for a specific situation. Yeah, it doesn't sound very professional, and it actually will be annoying. But it's not a problem if you use it for a demo or just to check your music ideas on a small group of fans. But if you're trying to reach a broad audience, trying to go big with a track on a free beat, you're doing something wrong. If you want my opinion what to do when you're on a tight budget, here it is. The best money saving strategy. Record the demo track over a free beat. Ensure that it's good. Try it out on SoundCloud or YouTube on private. Get a few comments from your friends and top fans and only then upgrade it to a paid license and then release the track. You will get no money wasted and will be fully protected in the long run. Here is a conclusion. Free beats are not as free as you might have thought before watching this video, but they are still a great tool for your music career. Use them for personal and promotional use only. Experiment with your music, record some demos, upload on YouTube and SoundCloud and get first feedback. But remember that you are not allowed to monetize them in any way. And know the point when you have to switch to a paid license. Leave all your questions and comments below. I will answer all of them or maybe even make a new video. Hit subscribe and notification button if you find this video helpful. Visit tak-tama.com for full catalog and special deals. Also visit my Instagram page and subscribe on Spotify, I will really appreciate that. That's it. Thank you for watching this video and see you next time. Bye.